Well, good morning, Triangulars. Today we're back down in California and we're going back out on Marina del Ray. But this time I got a new rod and I'm going to be trying it out today. This is the Penn Battle 3. It's 6:5 ratio, gear ratio. I have like 40-pound tests on it right now with just a drop shot sinker. And then I have a Shimano trevala rod connected to that. This is a medium heavy, so it's a little more sensitive, so I can feel those bites when we're going out. And so that's what we're going to be using today. Hopefully we slay it.
Do you have trouble falling asleep at night before you're about to go fishing? Do you toss and turn, trying to get comfortable but nothing seems to work? Maybe you try counting some sheep, or possibly drinking some warm milk. At other times, you try watching TV hoping you might get sleepy. Sometimes you might try medication, but nothing seems to work. Well, we have great news for you. Try the all-new Nighty Night. Nighty Night's patented technology guarantees you the fastest and best sleep you will ever have. Let's see it in action.
How many lumps would you like?
3.
Thanks, Nighty Night. I got myself a great night's sleep. Now I can do some fishing. I just got a little headache, that's all.
Nighty Night may cause headaches, blurred vision, tooth loss, bloody nose, fat lips, memory loss, concussions, urination, defecation, drooling, tremors, comas, and death.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Say I got something this time. Please, I've been getting hit so much. Nothing. Ugh. Did I shake him off? Damn it. That was a good one. I think I'm out of bait. That was a good one though. That was a good hit. I was all the way on bottom when that happened. Come on. I don't think I got him this time. Maybe I do. Maybe I do. I think I got him this time. Oh, Oh yeah. Doubled. Look at that little guy. Okay, the first one is good. Hold my rod. Keep drop. Just drop it down for me to the bottom. Yeah. He might make it actually. Nope. Go! This big guy though. Am I in the bottom? We're 22, right?
Yeah.
Am I in the bottom?
There you go. Go for it. Got it?
Yep. Good job, motors.
You get a little bit of I think it'll happen. I don't know. It's hard to say. I like being in the industry, so I hear a lot of shit. I'll tell you what.
That was that thing?
Yep.
This is bullshit.
This is bullshit.
That's an extra, like, how much time on this?
Oh, hopefully you can make it, buddy. Swim down, buddy.
They were just like, nah, I'm just letting you guys do it. And I was like, just because they can, they think they can. It was funny. I get it, but like for like 30 seconds, I was like fucking sweating. You're like, fuck, chill, man. And they were like, they literally were like, nah, I'm just playing with you. And then
No, you got him. Look at that. Reel him up. Oh, Ma, you can unhook that one. That's easy. That's really you hooked him pretty good where you can get him off. Okay. You can grab him in his mouth if you want. Or you could keep it.
Yeah, they're getting smaller. Come back.
my class because all their parents take them early for spring break. I'm not coming to the damn school.
Keep it. And throw away. looking for.
There you go.
They're biting. They are definitely biting.
You guys want a couple starry eyes?
Shoot.
Yeah, what number?
22.
22.
Take it. Caught him on the eye. He was looking too hard. He was looking too hard. There's a hit. That was a small hit though. There goes another little small hit. That's another. Mine. Another.
4, right?
Yep. Yes, sir. You know what I do is
Now we go. There we go. That's what we like to see right there. You see that? Like you let them bite. You let them bite a bit. Huh? No, it's on. So I'm commentating right now. But that's why I like to feel like this weight. Hopefully I'm doubled up. We like a double. Nope, it's just a nice speckle. Oh, they cleaned me off at the top. Let's see, can I get him off the hook? There we go. Oh, they have sponges in their mouth. You see that? Baby, it's the baby one. You need help or you got that? Hey, nice job. Look, he's going. Swim. Swim. Exactly. Do you think you got something this time? Oh yeah. Reel him up.
It's not this little tiny thing that's just a huge fighter. 6 inches long, but the heart of a shark.
I'm getting bit like crazy, but they just ain't taking the hook. Oh, I see something. Oh, you got him.
Alright.
It's that whitefish. Reel him up. We'll take that one.
Looked good, so.
Don't you dare squirm on me, buddy.
Open your mouth, buddy.
Open the mouth. Open it. Ew.
What?
You might get it. You might need a deck can for this
You
one.
want me to go ask?
Yeah.
Okay, here.
It's gonna take too long for me. Just let him flop around.
No, but he's gonna pull the pole over.
bait, a fish on it. A bait.